In this video, I'm going to show you how to fill out the Navy Federal Credit Union direct deposit form step by step. A lot of people get confused about where to find this form, what information goes on it, and how to make sure it's filled out correctly. So I'll walk you through everything in a simple way. First, let's quickly talk about what this form is for. A direct deposit form is basically what you give to an employer, a client, or any company that needs to send money straight into your Navy Federal account. Instead of mailing checks or sending payments through other methods, direct deposit makes the process automatic. Every pay period, or whenever they issue payment, the money goes straight into the account you list on the form. Now, how do you actually get this form? You don't even need to log in to your online banking for this part. All you have to do is go to NavyFederal.org. Once you're on the home page, look up to the top left corner where you'll see the three horizontal lines, also called the menu button. Tap or click on that, and a search bar will appear. In that search bar, type in Direct Deposit Form and hit Enter. You'll see a list of results, but the one you want is labeled Direct Deposits and Allotments. When you click on that, the actual form will open and you can download or print it out. Once you have the form in front of you, here's how to fill it out. At the very top, you'll start with your personal information. That means your full legal name exactly as it appears on your Navy Federal account. Then, add your full mailing address, including city, state, and zip code. Right after that section, you'll see a space for the company name. This is where you write the name of the employer or client who will be paying you. The next section is about how the money should be deposited. You'll need to specify the type of account and the details. Choose checking, savings, or money market, then write in your full Navy Federal account number. You can also decide if you want all of your pay to go into one account or if you want to split it between two accounts using percentages or dollar amounts. Once you've filled out those details, the last step is to sign and date the form. Your signature confirms that the information is correct and that you're authorizing Navy Federal to accept direct deposits on your behalf. Without a signature and date, the form won't be valid. And that's really all there is to it. To recap, you grab the direct deposit form from NavyFederal.org, fill in your personal details, choose which account you want the money to go into, add your account number, and sign and date the form. Then you hand it to your employer or whoever's paying you, and the deposits will start after a short setup period. So now you know exactly how to find and fill out the Navy Federal Credit Union direct deposit form from start to finish. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees moving money around, Wise is one of the best ways to do it. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there, plus you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. Create your free Wise account today using the link below